Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Karen. If you're new here, hello, welcome. Come on in, hit that like and subscribe button. If you love nail art tutorials and all things nails, you're in the right place. Hope everyone's had a great week. Very different video. I have this box, which as you can tell by the title, is a silicone practice hand, display hand, and I am so excited. It has been with me for a good few days now. How I haven't tore it open, I will never know. But I wanted to keep it until I could record because I wanted to share my honest initial first thoughts, reactions, that kind of thing. So this video is a collaboration and I'm very excited about this because it is my first collaboration with the lovely Kelly over at Chronically Creative Nails, which I will link down below for you. The wonderful thing about this is we have both bought these practice hands from Aleana, but different practice hands. So Kelly has bought the Alexandria practice hand in the colour Autumn, and it is a posable hand. This hand here that I have purchased should be a Nay practice hand, which is flexible. So the difference being is that Kelly's you can pose into different positions and it'll hold, where this one is purely the flexible one. Side note to that, I didn't intend to order the flexible one, and I had contacted the customer service and they were incredible and had said that, you know, if I wanted to send it back, absolutely, they would exchange it for me. So customer service off the bat has been absolutely fantastic. What I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a little clip on their website and just sort of show you around their website and what one I got, what hand I got, so you can actually see it on the website. So I will insert that now for you guys. Okay, so this is the lovely Aleana Hand website, as you can see. Full of lovely pictures and information, a little bit about them and behind their why they created the Aleana Hand, etc. So lots of information there for you to scroll through. This then is the menu bar, and I'm just going on now to, you've got the regular collection, you've got the magnetic collection. So I went for the half hand Nay, and as you can see there's different skin tones available. They just look amazing. You've got the lifelike, and then you have one colour. I went for the lifelike because, I mean, just look at that. Look at the detail on it. It's amazing. So you do have some options when it comes to purchasing. There's three colours. There's winter, which is the lightest skin tone. There's autumn, and then there's summer. And then you have what hand you want, if it's the left or the right, and then the type, flexible or posable. And then you go down and there's some information as well too about the hand, the skin tones, about posable versus flexible. And then you have the magnetic practice holder, which was something else as well too that I had ordered. And this is it. This is the practice holder, and it's a magnetic one. And again, there's some just information on that. All the prices and all that are on there, so it tells you a little bit about that. And then going back up, then I'm just going to show you guys the single finger. You can get this in, again, either magnetic or just the regular practice finger. I went with the regular, and again, you can get it in one colour, or you can get it where it is lifelike, and again, I went for the lifelike. And there we go, that's that. So, you know, again, you can choose colour and flexible, and, you know, and then it gives you some more information. So yeah, so that's our website. It's really simply laid out. Customer service is amazing, and the images are just incredible. So I will leave the link to that down below, and you can go check that out whenever you want to. Okay, so back to the hands. We're going to unbox it now that you've seen the website and all that, there good stuffs. So I'm going to get into this box and we shall see what it's like. I have high expectations. To give you a bit of a backstory, just while I'm unboxing this, I've been looking for a really good quality practice hand for a while, display hand, whatever you want to call them, silicone hand. I do have a couple, as you've seen in previous videos, but I really want a really, really realistic one, and I'm hoping, and this is why I'm kind of like, is this the most realistic? Because I've had a look and I've been absolutely blown away, and it was actually Kelly who had initially told me about this one here. We've both actually been looking for really good practice hands, unbeknown kind of, and silicone hands. Is that even doing anything? Hold on, let me get this open. Find a much easier way in, upside down. So, yeah, we've both been looking for practice hands, or silicone hands, and this seemed to be a really fantastic one. Totally blown away. We've been looking for months. I certainly have. And I think the price of this one here, as well as what looks to be the quality, seems to be amazing. And now I ordered, I assume that's the stand. So we'll take that out for a moment. And I did order a single finger. Oh my goodness. What? Oh. I should say I have ordered the, oh, there we go. There she is. Oh my gosh. I have ordered the magnetic version of the hand. There's a little magnet. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. So this is the lightest skin color. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, are you kidding me? What? Oh my gosh, that is so... Oh, that is so incredibly real. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, that is... Oh, that is so lovely. Oh, that is gorgeous. I'm just going to bring you guys down. Okay, so I'm hoping you can see it a bit better now. This is her. This is Anna. Oh, she is... Oh, that's weird. The fact that that is so incredibly lifelike. Wow. Even her, oh my goodness. There's no thumb, which I'm really happy about. Because I just wanted the 4 fingers. I never, ever, ever do thumbs. Even on the practice hands that I have at the minute, I just never do thumbs. I only do the 4 fingers. So this here is perfect for me. But oh my gosh, guys, I cannot tell you how realistic this looks. Look at the veins, even painted in. The detail, oh my gosh. You can really tell that this here has been created by a prosthetics company. It is, I think their name is Collab Prosthetics. This is what I loved, is that these guys are obviously, you know, I mean, if they're a prosthetics company, they're used with creating prosthetic limbs for people. So, you know, they got to be realistic. And I love the fact as well too, is that the hands aren't splayed. Sometimes you get the hands, the practice hands, and they can be sort of like splayed out more. Where these here are just, it's just incredible. Oh, it's so realistic. And it's light, it's not, well, it's got weight to it, but it's not really heavy and bulky and would be so easy to just pop into the lamp. I love this. And I can see flexible. Oh yeah, it just feels so incredibly real. Right, let's get the stand out. I want to see the stand as well. Okay. I can't wait to see Kelly's video, by the way. I just cannot wait to see what her hand is like in comparison. I actually thought that this here would be a lot lighter. Because I was sort of thinking more along my skin tone, being the winter colour, but no, it's a beautiful tone. It's not going to get too badly washed out or anything. So I'm really glad I got that tone. I'm really glad. So this is the little clamp. Okay, that is amazing. And obviously, oh wow, gosh, that's quite sticky. A little sucker disc. I have, let's see, I've got this little kind of plate here. So Gillian, the lovely Gillian got me, so I'm just going to set it on that for a bit. Just to sort of see if it would take the weight. I think it's going to take a tile, but we'll see. This here seems to be the little mount that this here attaches onto. Yeah, so that would be the telescopic bit if you wanted to sort of like bring it out a little bit. But I'm just going to keep that in. I don't need it that far out at the moment. So. And then obviously then the head and that there rotates. Yep, there we go. So yeah, it's definitely going to take the tile, that's for sure. But oh my gosh, it's so realistic. It's incredible. And then bringing it off, you can just kind of like pull it down, or I guess you could always pull it up as well. I think I find pulling it down easy, but that's incredible. How easy is that to get on and off and into your lamp? And I mean, that is just, oh my goodness. And the good thing is that with the fingers being so flexible, I mean, if you're working on the hand, you know, it's so easy to set those fingers out of the way. And it's so realistic, the size of them as well. They're just, you know, this could be my sister's hands. This could be my, you know, this could be one of my sister's hands. And the nail beds as well too. Let's have a look at the single finger as well. I'm just going to set it to the side. I'm kind of thinking I should have got the magnetic one now. I'm thinking, but maybe I don't know. Anyway, how realistic is that? Wow, it's just incredible. Okay guys, so I just thought I would tip her up while we're here. Fully tip her up. And one thing I have noticed is that I do have some of the kind of smaller tips like these, okay, just sort of cheap and cheerful tips, almost like a full coverage. And I kind of find that if I was to use this size and put it in, the smaller tips almost kind of makes, sorry there's lint in that there because it's obviously with it being silicone, but as you can see it sort of almost starts to make the nail bed unnatural. And even if I take this down a size, yeah, so even if I was going in with this size here, it's better, but it's still, I don't know, it just sort of distorts the fingers slightly. So what I have found though is when I use the tips that I have been using on my other practice hands, which are the really super duper long display tips. I'll link those for you guys down below. And I slide those in. I just don't have that same level of distortion around the actual nail bed. So when I pop that in, as you can see, it's super secure because it's further down into the actual well. Whereas this here would come off very easily. This is a size 4. See, that just looks so much better compared to that other tip that we had in there. So 1,000 times better. And that being a 4, that one's slightly smaller, so maybe we'll go with a 5 on that. Yep, that's perfect. That's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look. Okay, so I am just going to go on ahead and I'm just going to buff these nails, and I'll maybe just do a little French tip. Okay, so just while you're watching me having a little play around with this here, I'm not going to talk through any of what I'm doing because it really is just a basic French and I just wanted to have a quick go. I will be doing a full design set with Kelly actually. And we did say that we would do a little joint collaboration video just to kind of celebrate these beautiful new hands in our lives. But anyways, I just wanted to reiterate that this hand here, I have no affiliation. I have no affiliation codes, discount codes or anything like that there. This was a private personal purchase, an investment for my channel and for my nail art work. I know that there is a lot of hands out there, I get that, but I really did want something to be super realistic and just a really good product. So hence why I did make the investment, and I know that that's exactly the same for Kelly, which I should actually mention here too. This little sort of trick that I'm doing with the French that has really helped me get a really nice even French on the nails. This was something that I also picked up from Kelly, so I'll link that video below if you do struggle with French. It is a design video that she had done, and it's definitely helpful, some helpful tips and hints in there. But yeah, I absolutely loved having a play with this. It was just so easy to work with. Putting it into the lamp was a doddle. Came off the stand, no problem. I had absolutely zero issues. It was comfortable. It was just like working on a human hand, only without the kind of, without the hassle of, relax your hand, relax your fingers. So yeah, it's just a joy to work with. I must say, I think that they have absolutely nailed this. Excuse the pun, but this is it. This is just the finished shot. There's no editing, nothing at all. This is it, and I just think it's absolutely beautiful. So thanks so much indeed for watching, guys. All links, all information is down below if you want to go check it out yourself. Any questions, I'm sure they would be happy to help. But thanks so much indeed for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this, and go check out Kelly's channel as well too, link below, where you will see her video on her hand unboxing. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.